Amy Slayton, one of the fan-favorite stars of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, has had an emotional and physical rollercoaster of a journey ever since she first appeared on our screens. From the beginning, her struggle with obesity, family tensions, and medical issues became a relatable and heartbreaking journey that millions of fans around the world followed closely. But after undergoing gastric bypass surgery and initially losing a significant amount of weight, many viewers are now asking, how much weight has Amy Slayton gained since her last surgery, and what does this mean for her food? At the start of the series, Amy weighed over 400 pounds and was determined to change her life not only for herself but also to become a mother. Her desire to get pregnant was one of her strongest motivations for losing weight. Unlike her sister Tammy, Amy was able to qualify for bariatric surgery relatively early in the show, and she made great progress. Her weight dropped, she got pregnant, and she eventually gave birth to her first son, Gage. Not long after, she gave birth to her second son, Glenn. But those back-to-back pregnancies, coupled with the emotional stress of her turbulent personal life, including her breakup from husband Michael Halterman, have sparked new concerns over Amy's physical and emotional well-being. Fans are noticing changes, and rumors of weight gain have exploded all over social media. Photos circulating online and moments captured during recent 1000 LB Sisters episodes show Amy appearing visibly heavier compared to her post-surgery weight loss peak. While neither Amy nor TLC has publicly confirmed an exact figure, insiders close to the production and Amy's own social media activity hint at a significant weight fluctuation. According to some unverified reports, Amy may have regained somewhere between 80 to 120 pounds since her lowest weight. While this is speculative, fans who followed her journey closely can visibly detect that Amy's current physique is markedly different from her post-bypass slimmed-down self. Much of this weight gain is being attributed to a combination of emotional eating, postpartum struggles, lack of consistent exercise, and a possible return to old habits. Amy has been transparent in the past about her struggles with emotional eating, especially during moments of stress, sadness, or family conflict. The breakdown of her marriage and the burden of being a single mom to two very young children seem to have added significant emotional pressure. Amy herself has hinted on social media and in interviews that she's been going through a lot and that it's been difficult to prioritize herself and her health in the middle of so much chaos. The backlash from fans has been a mix of concern, disappointment, and empathy. Some viewers believe Amy is falling into the same patterns that plagued her pre-surgery lifestyle. Others, however, are more understanding and recognize that major weight loss and body transformation journeys are not linear. The reality of bariatric surgery is that it's a tool, not a cure. Without ongoing mental health support, structured nutrition, and regular exercise, weight regain is a common occurrence for many patients. In Amy's case, 2 pregnancies within a short span, followed by postpartum stress and a crumbling marriage, would challenge even the most determined individual. Amy's relationship with food seems to have deep emotional roots, something she has talked about throughout the series. In multiple episodes, she's described food as a comfort mechanism, especially during childhood trauma, and during the tumultuous years living in poverty with Tammy and their other siblings. With that context in mind, it's easier to understand how stress and emotional exhaustion may lead her back to unhealthy food choices, even if temporarily. However, viewers are still hopeful that Amy can turn things around again. Some fans are calling for TLC to provide more mental health support for their cast members, especially since Amy and Tammy's journey has been as psychological as it is physical. Watching people struggle on national television can often spark waves of criticism and harsh judgment. But what viewers don't always see are the behind-the-scenes struggles, the crying at night, the overwhelming mom duties, the loneliness after a divorce, and the mental fatigue of constantly trying to meet others' expectations while healing yourself. Amy has always been raw and real about her imperfections, which is why many people love her and continue to root for her. Health experts who have commented on the show in various online forums have stated that post-surgery weight gain is more common than people realize. According to the Cleveland Clinic, about 50% of bariatric surgery patients may regain some weight 2 to 5 years after the procedure. In Amy's case, being a public figure adds an extra layer of pressure. Every pound gained is analyzed, discussed, and sometimes mocked online. That kind of scrutiny can worsen self-esteem and delay the kind of self-care she needs to regain control. Amy's current social media presence seems to reflect a mix of emotions. Some posts show her smiling with her boys, Gage and Glenn, creating adorable family content and trying to stay positive. Other times, she's posted cryptic messages about needing time, battling anxiety, or feeling misunderstood. In one TikTok video, she even mouthed lyrics about people judging her without knowing her full story, which many fans interpreted as a subtle response to online trolls criticizing her appearance and weight gain. Her fanbase remains fiercely loyal, though. Thousands of followers constantly flood her comment sections with words of encouragement, telling her to keep pushing forward and take care of herself. They remind her that setbacks are part of every journey and that it's never too late to try again. There are also whispers about Amy possibly considering another round of surgical intervention, or at least rejoining a strict medically supervised weight loss program. Some fans believe that if Tammy Slaton could turn her life around after years of criticism and life-threatening conditions, Amy might follow a similar redemption path. Others suggest that Amy may benefit more from therapy and mental health support than another surgery. At the heart of this discussion is one undeniable truth: weight is not the only measure of health. And when someone is carrying the weight of the world emotionally, it often shows physically. The upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters is expected to dive deeper into Amy's recent lifestyle changes, the aftermath of her breakup, and her efforts to find balance between motherhood and self-care. Teasers suggest that Amy will be more vocal about her struggles and may even confront some unresolved family issues that could be contributing to her emotional instability. Whether she decides to re-engage in a strict health regimen or focus more on healing her emotional wounds, fans are ready to say. Her regain control, on her own terms. As the world continues to debate, how much weight has Amy gained, the more important question might be, how is Amy Slaton truly doing, mentally, emotionally, spiritually? Because in the end, numbers on a scale can change, but long-term health, especially emotional well-being, requires deep, sustained effort, compassion, and support. Amy Slaton's story is far from over. In fact, this may be just the beginning of another powerful chapter. For many women watching Amy's journey, she represents more than just a reality star. She's a reflection of the real-life battles so many face, juggling motherhood, health issues, emotional wounds, and societal pressure. Whether Amy has gained 20, 50, or 100 pounds, her value hasn't decreased. If anything, her vulnerability and willingness to keep showing up make her even more relatable and inspiring. The hope is that with the right resources, a renewed support system, and a focus on mental wellness, Amy can recenter herself, prioritize her health, and once again amaze her fans by showing just how strong she really is. Because the truth is, everyone stumbles. But it's the courage to stand back up that defines the journey. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.